Recent rally in the stock market makes some people euphoric, bringing retail investors confident to invest more money into the market. As a result, rally doesn't care the reality of the market fundamentals. Newly entered retail investors, traders are just looking over the swing and momentum of the market. But this is not the physics. It follows the economy and reality of the market. Before October 1987, people used to say this time is different. And in the month of October, we saw Black Monday. Market crashed. Before March 2002, everything was fantastic. People pumped the money into the market. Stock market was the only place where people could make money. If you were not into the stock market, you were a fool. People used to tag you as unintelligent and far away from modern knowledge. All investors were intelligent at that time. On 10th March, dot-com bubble burst into the market. Many people were bankrupted within few months. Till 2002, market was so bearish that many people thought they would never enter into the market again. After 2002, everything was excellent till 2008 financial crisis. Even before bankruptcy of the various financial institutes, these were trusted organizations. People ignored all the low ratings of those companies and organizations and invested their money on the basis of stock momentum. People think this time is also different. Very few people will also make you believe that this time is really different compared to 2002-2008. Stock market can only go upside. They do not care about the valuation and fundamentals. Other hand, few people sold their portfolio and didn't invest anything in recent crash. They all under the FOMO and thinking to enter into the market again. They all are thinking that they have missed the rally. Yes, they missed the rally. But the question is, who knew about the rally? If you can predict the stability of the economy and business scenario, then you can invest with some calculated risk. Other hand, if you do not know about the future or you are seeing future as uncertain, then risk versus return will very high. This kind of investment will only be on the basis of hope, not the fundamentals, which is speculative in nature. You are watching the Growth Mantra videos for health, wealth and happiness. Knowledge is our base. If you find this video really good and interesting, please share with others. Like us, subscribe us for more such videos and our motivation. Notice one thing, due to the pandemic, business and economy are in very bad condition. Due to massive job loss, real demand and consumption of the products and services has got a hit. To bring liquidity, government printed and circulated huge money. This money only skewed up in the medical spending and stock market, not in industrial or business development. This helicopter money creates the bubble into the stock market. You can take any business to analyze the scenario and real situation. Consider real estate. Due to job cut, pay cut and job uncertainty, many people will postpone fresh buying of home. Same condition for automobiles and consumer durables. Less government spending will also hit the heavy industries like metal, cement, and infrastructure. Lastly, due to the cascading effect, FMCG will also get the dent. Banking and NBFCs already burnt their asset quality due to uncertainty in loan recovery. Just be aware. In short run, market is like a voting machine and may not reflect the true reflection of the economy. But long run always behave like weighing machine. Reflects the truth of the economy. In stock market, you should in stock market you shouldn't be intelligent. You need to check the history, big horizon, and valuation. You need to be disciplined and patient, not the intelligent one.